Welcome to today's tutorial where I'll guide you through downloading DaVinci Resolve completely free. This professional-grade video editing software is used by industry professionals worldwide. And the best part, you can access it without spending a single dollar. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official source. We'll be heading directly to blackmagicdesign.com. And I want to emphasize this point. Always download from the official website. Third-party sites may offer modified versions that could contain malware or missing features, so we're sticking with the legitimate source. Once you're on the Blackmagic Design website, scroll down until you locate the DaVinci Resolve free download button. Click it, and you'll be taken to the download section where you'll notice two distinct versions available: DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. This is where many users make their first mistake. The Studio version is the premium, paid option that requires a license to function properly. Without that license, you simply cannot use it. The standard DaVinci Resolve is what we're after. It's completely free and includes an impressive array of professional editing tools that rival expensive alternatives. Now, you'll need to select your operating system. For Windows users, you may see two options: Windows x86 and Windows ARM. The x86 version is compatible with standard Intel and AMD processors, which covers the vast majority of desktop and laptop computers. The ARM version is designed for specific devices with ARM-based processors, typically found in certain tablets or specialized laptops. When in doubt, choose Windows x86. Next, you'll encounter a registration form. Blackmagic Design requires basic information before allowing the download. Complete all required fields accurately, then click Register and Download. The download will begin automatically. It's a large file and will definitely take some time. Take a long nap. Once the download completes, you'll have a compressed file that needs extraction. Right-click the downloaded file and select Extract All to access the installer. Double-click the extracted installer file to launch the setup process. The installer presents four installation options: DaVinci Resolve Control Panels, Blackmagic Raw Player, Fairlight Audio Accelerator Utility, and DaVinci Resolve itself. Unless you own specific Blackmagic hardware, you can safely uncheck the first three options. These additional components serve specialized functions and will only consume unnecessary disk space for most users. Keep only DaVinci Resolve selected and proceed with the installation. The setup wizard will guide you through the remaining steps: accept the license agreement, choose your installation directory, and begin the installation process. The entire procedure typically takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. Once installation finishes, you'll have access to professional video editing software that includes advanced color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production capabilities. DaVinci Resolve is now ready for use, providing you with the same tools used in major film productions and television shows. That completes the installation process. You now have legitimate access to one of the industry's most respected editing platforms, entirely free of charge.